friends, today we're going to be making homemade clay. I've listed the recipe right here with all of the ingredients and instructions. We will be using regular salt, cornstarch, water, a pan, and measuring cups. I also have the icons printed out here so you can follow along. The first things we got was the pan and the measuring cup. Then we add our table salt, and for our table salt we need 2 cups. So I have measured out 2 cups of table salt and put it into our pan. The next thing we need is 3/4 of a cup of water. We mix those two together and we cook them on the stove top for approximately 5 minutes over medium heat. Once we've cooked it for our 5 minutes, then we will remove it from the heat. We will add our cornstarch and our water. I started my mixture cooking just a little bit prior to our video so that we wouldn't have to wait the full 5 minutes for it to cook. The difference between a clay and a Play-Doh is the firmness of it, and clay, we can take a piece of clay, add a little bit of extra water to it, and put it on another piece of clay, and it acts like a glue. And when it dries, those 2 pieces of clay will stay together. So there's our timer. So we will now remove our salt and water from the heat. We will add 1 cup of cornstarch. And another 1/2 cup of water. We will stir those together and we will put it back on the heat until it becomes smooth and thick. Once our mixture is smooth and thick, we will then put it in the refrigerator for a few hours just to get it cooled down, and then you can store it in a plastic bag. Cooking, it wants us to stir it continually so that it doesn't burn to the bottom of our pan. We're almost finished. We are at almost a smooth and solid state. Okay, and my clay is a little too hot to touch because we have been cooking it over a stove, but I will bring it over. So it's a pretty thick texture. So what we're going to do now is put this in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Thank you and have a great afternoon, friends.